So here we have the finished PC. All I've done is just tidied up the wires a little bit, put some zip ties on, hidden most of the wiring in these cavities. The reason you hide the wiring isn't just because it looks prettier. The reason you do that is for improved airflow, because obviously there is some heat generated inside these things. But yeah, look, that's a fairly basic guide to building a basic computer. I don't know if I got it all right, but that's how I do it, and as I said, they keep working, so I'll probably keep doing it that way. But I hope you've enjoyed the series of videos I've made, and yeah, I'll have a look at my other videos if you're interested in cars or other bikes or whatever, and yeah, I'll see you online sometime. Bye.